We are in our Fingerpower Book 1 and we are playing exercise 15, left hand melody with a broken accompaniment. Broken just means that we, instead of playing two notes together like in number 16, we're going to play them separate. So both hands are on middle C and we are in 3/4 time. Now remember, the dotted half note gets 3 counts, so you're going to hold it while you play the right hand. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Let's do that one more time. 1, 2, 3. We are in our Fingerpower 1 book and we are playing exercise 16. Now we did 15 the last time with a broken accompaniment. This time we are putting the notes together. So let's get started. Both hands are sharing middle C. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.